Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start inside Google Drive, signed into the correct account. Navigate to the folder containing images and choose Grid or List so thumbnails are visible. Click to select one photo or hold Shift or Control, CMD on Mac to pick multiple files. Once done, right-click any selected image to reveal actions. This is where conversion begins. Make sure you have download permission and enough local disk space, because conversion uses a download plus change approach rather than server-side reform. After selecting, choose Download. Google Drive will zip multiple images into one archive. Once the zip completes, open your Downloads folder and extract the contents. For a single file, open it with Preview on Mac or Photos/Photoshop/any image editor on Windows. Then use File Export or Save As and pick JPEG or JPG with your desired quality setting. Once done, confirm file sizes and file names. This local conversion preserves quality control and avoids accidental Google Drive changes. You finish by uploading the new JPGs back to Google Drive using drag and drop or new file upload. Decide whether to replace originals or keep both by renaming files when needed. Once uploaded, check thumbnails, preview, and metadata to ensure the conversion kept orientation and quality. If something goes wrong, make sure your downloads weren't corrupted, you have write permission in the target drive folder, and enough local disk space. Then retry conversion or use a different image app as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.